Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best repayment percentage to choose for PayPal working capital. I've used PayPal working capital for my small business, and the key thing I learned is that the best percentage isn't a one-size-fits-all number. It's the one that perfectly balances your cash flow needs with how quickly you want to finish paying off a loan. Here's how it works from my experience. PayPal lets you choose percentage of your daily PayPal sales to automatically go toward your repayment. This is great because when sales are slow, you pay less, and when sales are booming, you pay more and finish faster. The percentages typically range from around 10% on the low end, all the way up to 30% or more. Now, why does the percentage matter so much? First, the total fixed fee you pay is actually lower if you choose a higher repayment percentage. This is a huge factor. For example, if I chose a 10% repayment rate, the flat fee PayPal added to my loan was significantly higher than if I chose, say, a 25% rate, even for the same loan amount. The higher the percentage, the cheaper the money is for you in the long run. Second, cash flow is king. When you choose a high percentage, like 25% or 30%, a bigger chunk of every sale is gone immediately. I found that this can really put a squeeze on my daily operating expenses, like paying suppliers or running ads. If your business has tight margins or seasonal sales fluctuations, a high percentage can hurt you. So, here's my advice from using it. If your business has very consistent high volume sales and you have strong cash reserves, choose a higher percentage, like 25% or 30%. You'll save money on the fixed fee and you'll clear the debt much faster. If your business has fluctuating seasonal or tight cash flow, choose a lower to moderate percentage, maybe 10% to 15%. This gives you more breathing room day to day. You'll pay a higher fee overall, but avoiding a cash flow crisis is usually worth the extra cost. Remember, the repayments are automatically deducted, so that money never even hits your main balance. Before you finalize, PayPal shows you a screen with the different percentage options, the exact fixed fee for each, and the estimated repayment time. My personal best percentage was the one that gave me the lowest fee without forcing me to scramble for cash every week. For me, that usually landed somewhere in the middle, around 18% to 20%, but you have to run your own numbers based on your daily sales and business needs. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.